Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to unbox, review, and check out this particular dashcam. This is the ADZOME M550 Dashcam and it has been sent to me, so in this video we are going to check it out. Let's do this. So I've been getting a bunch of dash cams lately, well, which kind of makes sense because I am a car review channel and I am a firm believer of dash cams and their value inside your car because, well, they do serve as added insurance in case you get into an incident while you're driving your vehicle. Now, this particular dash cam, this ADZOME M550 Dashcam, is one of the higher spec models of ADZOME. You could follow them in their social media pages. I'll put a link in the description below. And yeah, if ever you want to make a purchase, it would be great also if you'd click on the link in my video description, and that would also help out the channel. Now, this ADZOME M550 Dashcam, as I mentioned, is one of their top-of-the-line models because it comes not just with one or two camera lenses, but it comes with three camera lenses. You see, you have the forward-facing camera, which is, well, typical of any dash cam, and you also have the rear-facing camera, plus you have a third camera lens facing into the cabin of your vehicle to monitor whatever activities are happening inside your car. I don't even know if you want to monitor the activities inside your car, but it is an extra safety feature, a safety precaution, especially if, let's say, you are moonlighting your car as a grab car, or let's say you're an Uber driver, or if you just want to make those YouTube prank videos while inside your car cabin. So yeah, this ADZOME M550 is going to be a pretty useful dashcam for those scenarios. Now, I was not paid for this, for this review, so yeah, this is going to be a very straightforward and honest review of the ADZOME M550 Dashcam. So, without further ado, guys, let's get on with the unboxing. Let's see what this is all about. First of all, yeah, the box looks and feels quite premium, and it is pretty tight. I'm trying to get it open right now. See, okay. Alright guys, so now that we have all of these components out, the first thing that I noticed is ADZOME provides us with an actual micro SD card right here. This is for 64 gigabytes, so it is quite considerate and thoughtful of them to give us a free micro SD card to go with the dashcam, because most other dashcam companies do not give you a micro SD card. Now, the second thing that I noticed is, well, the power outlet, the power charger here. As you can see, the power charger. It also comes with a USB-A charge port right there, as you can see. So, yes, this is also another thoughtful touch because, yes, once this thing takes over a 12-volt power outlet in your car, at least you still have a USB outlet right there to charge, let's say, other gadgets like your phone and stuff like that. So, these are two thoughtful things that I like about this ADZOME M550 Dashcam. So, we have here the main camera itself. So this is the main camera, the front-facing camera right there, and it also comes with a GPS thing right there. And over here we have the cabin camera. This is the cabin camera, guys, as you can see. And this attaches to the main camera here on the side. So you attach it here. So this faces into your cabin, and the other one faces out into the street. Now, we also have a third camera here. This one is for the rear camera, as you can see. Now, this one has a pretty long cable, and I did notice that this rear camera mounts outside the car near your license plate holder. So, yeah, it's not like you're going to stick this on the rear windshield, on the rear glass, but rather this is something that you'll have to install onto your rear license plate holder. So, yeah, you'll have to put in a little bit of elbow grease in order to do that. Now, aside from that, guys, of course, we have some sticky mounts here. Sticky mounts. And we have the owner's manual right there, right? And we also have some electrostatic sheets right here for mounting the cameras on your windshield. So yeah, other than that, guys, it's pretty standard. So we have all the parts right here. Now we are going to go over to the actual installation of this M550 ADZOME Dashcam into my vehicle and see how it performs on the road. Now, before we go to the actual installation of this camera, guys, well, let me talk a little bit more about its features. Well, this ADZOME M550, as you can see, I've already assembled it in such a way that we have the cabin-facing camera already here, and we have, of course, the front-facing camera right there. Now, we also have here a nice 3-inch wide screen here at the back to monitor the footage or what's going on with your camera, with your dash cam. And we also have a really bright and fast f1.8 lens right here for the front. Now, I did notice that the front lens, the front camera lens, has a 2K resolution, a maximum of 2K resolution, which is twice that of Full HD, while the cabin camera and the rear-facing camera are both in Full HD. So yes, I am quite excited to see what these resolutions would look like once we test this out. So we are going to go ahead and install this thing right now. Now guys, since the M550 Dashcam comes with a rear camera lens, well, I couldn't really install it by myself, so I had to go to my friendly neighborhood shop, Roadstar Enterprises here in Makati, where I had the rear camera lens installed near my license plate holder. So as you can see here, it's now being installed, and yeah, they had to put the wiring into the like inside the car and all that, just to make it a nice clean install. So once that's done, guys, I took the M550 Dashcam out for a spin. So here's my assessment of it while I am driving my car with the M550 Dashcam. Alright guys, so we're now inside the car with the M550 ADZOME Dashcam, and we are on the highway. We are going at around 70 something kilometers per hour. So I'm using the built-in microphone of the dashcam here. This has no edits on it. There's no boosters done, and I'm also using the image of the dashcam itself. I didn't do any edits on that as well. So these are raw images and raw sound coming from the dashcam itself. As you can see, the cabin-facing camera, it has a nice and wide angle, so you could see a little bit of my rear view mirror here though, but it can still catch or capture the entire cabin of my car. Now this cabin facing camera is a Full HD, it's a 1080p guys, it's not 2K, but the image quality is still pretty decent. I'm quite surprised. So it doesn't mean that if it's 1080p only, it's going to be kind of blurry, because it's not. Now the forward-facing camera, the main camera lens, that is a 2K image, as you can see, and yeah, we are getting a pretty clear image here. We can clearly see the plate numbers of the car in front of us, even the ones on the side. So it has a nice wide-angle lens. Now, I did install the rear-facing camera, and it's right near my license plate holder. And the rear-facing camera is a Full HD, a 1080p image. And as you can see, yes, it is giving a pretty decent and clear image quality as well. Now, I've tested this at night also, and it's pretty decent. It's pretty good. It has a good level of image clarity even at night. So that's another plus factor for this M550. So yes, having this kind of comprehensive image for your dash cam. I mean, you've got 3 camera lenses here,
all-in-one. It's great to have because you are safe on all angles. You can you can see what's happening behind you, you can see what's happening in front of you, and you can see what's happening inside the cabin. Whether that's good or bad would depend on you guys. So yeah, if you get caught picking your nose, yeah, just make sure you don't publish it on social media. So yeah, the functionalities of this M550 ADZOME Dashcam is really good. I would also recommend it. In fact, I would recommend that you guys get a dashcam, especially if you are driving here in the Philippines. If you haven't watched my video of the reasons why you need a dashcam, you can click the link above. Now back to you, Regan.
So there you have it, guys. That is the ADZOME M550 Dashcam. It's a solid dashcam option, giving you 3 camera lenses. You've got a front-facing camera, a cabin-facing camera, and a rear-facing camera, all rolled into one, so you will be protected at all times. Now, if you want to make a purchase of this really solid M550 Dashcam, I've put a link in my video description below. And yeah, any purchase you make through this video will help the channel, so I would truly appreciate it if you do that, guys. Anyway, I'm Regan, and if you haven't subscribed already, please click that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.